Hey guys, I thought I'd share something that I did, and you can do this to any small engine item that you have at the home. And what I did is sometimes this Honda generator will be a little finicky starting, and so I made access so that you could use starting fluid without taking the cover off to put a spritz in there, a spray of this. That way, don't have to pull the cover off and you can get it started. Especially a generator, which you may need in an emergency. Like I said, every now and then it's a little cranky. Most of the time it isn't. Now, I've done it to my Honda and I did it to the Predator from Harbor Freight, and I'm going to show you how simple this is to do. If you never need to use it, it's there for that one time you do. So let's take a look at the Honda generator. So what you want to do is pull the cover off, and then you want to take the air cleaner cover off, and you want to take a look inside of it, because there'll be ribbing, and you want to make sure when you drill a hole through here and through there that there's no ribs and nothing in the way that maybe you shouldn't be drilling into. So once you do that, put the air cleaner cover back on, take some accurate measurements from a datum point. As this, I'd take it from here over and from there down, and then transfer those measurements to your outside cover, and now you've got a throughway to where if you have to use your starting fluid, you don't have to pull the cover, you don't have to pull the air cleaner, you've got direct access. Now, as can be seen with the Predator, we're in a different location. So what I'll do, I'll take the cover off here and I'll show you what I've done. And I did a video on this, but I've got quick access instead of the screws I gave you, so you can take this cover off without any tools. So as can be seen here, I took the cover off, and then I looked at the inside to see where the best spot for it would be, marked it, and drilled a 3/16 inch hole. Then we need to transfer the dimensions from the side and the bottom up to your cover. And then once you do that, and so what I did is, in this particular case, I measured to the outside because this fits right to the outside. So I measured from the outside to here, and from the bottom to here. And just take your time, do careful measurements. Then I drilled the hole here, and then as can be seen, they've got this foam. I don't know if that's for insulation or just quieting, so when it's running it doesn't vibrate. And so you can see how I put the hole in here. So now it's a simple matter, since we have this hole on the outside cover corresponding to this. It's just a simple matter of taking your starting fluid and just spraying it at the hole, so to go through here into here. Give it maybe a 1 second spray, and then start up the generator or whatever particular item it is. You could do it with a lawnmower, you could do it with, like I said, any small engine item. And again, it's there if you need it. If you don't, it's there. Like I said, my Honda generator, every now and then, now it's 20-some years old, gets a little cranky, even though for the last few years I've been using non-ethanol gas in all my small engine items. So there you have it. Doing this will eliminate a lot of screwing around. You won't have to pull the cover, and you'll still get the starting fluid to where it needs to be in a quick manner.